Safety concerns are taking priority over COVID concerns at a trendy clothing store in Beverly Grove. And now customers are banned from wearing masks. CBS 2's Tina Patel is live with why the store is putting this new rule in place. Tina, good morning.
Good morning. I just spoke to the owner of Kitson Boutique, and he says crime is now a bigger concern than COVID, and that's why he no longer wants to let people in if they are wearing face masks. Take a look. Here are the signs that the owner put up last week explaining this new no mask policy, saying it's a way to keep employees and store assets safe. He says the mask mandate may have started as a health precaution, but he thinks thieves are taking advantage of it now to hide their identities and get away with crime. Fraser Ross talked to Fox News this morning about what's been happening not only at his store, but also, he says, around the neighborhood.
We've had people come in with weapons, scissors, put it to the employees' more or less face and say, hand over the cash and the iPad. I've been strangled and I've been pepper sprayed in the store, and enough is enough. And when they come in the store with a mask on, you know, they've got a bucket hat, a hoodie, and a mask, and you can't see their eyes. So in a lineup, we'd never be able to identify them. The cameras in the store can't identify them. The security guard in front of the store can't identify them. And there is enough is enough.
You can hear the frustration of store owners. That's why they are saying that they're going to make this change, hoping more others make changes like this as well. Now, we reached out to the public health department to see if they had any comment, and we've not heard back yet. But Dr. Ferrer did say last week that COVID cases are starting to go down here locally and that masks are just voluntary. We'll send it back to you.